I say communication skills is the most misinterpreted skills of all. Many think it is a gift. I say if it is a skill, it can be practiced.
Where is my
And it
phone?
can be
Why you take my phone again?
and it can be mastered. Am I right? I do recording. Whoa. Yeah. So I use my own camera better. So where were we? Communication skills. When is the last time you checked your level of communication skills? What are you good at? What are your strengths? At the same time, know your weaknesses so you can find ways to improve them. Marketing, selling, copywriting, even writing that advertisement or doing that poster or banner in your Facebook, right? It is all communication skills. And there are actually proven techniques and structures that you can follow and apply immediately to achieve the result you want. That's what many of the workshops are offering. How to do copywriting, how to structure your advertisement, and all that. It basically boils down to communication skills. And one of the best way to learn communication skills is through public speaking, because public speaking teaches us the structures on how to deliver and make a good first impression, how to engage with our audience, be it one-to-one or one-to-many, and how to find content and deliver to your audience, be it to one and or to many. We can sit down and discuss. When we find content to speak to each other, we engage with our customers and they will listen to us. So we have more time to convince and persuade them and achieve the results that we want. Does it all make sense? So how consistent are you when it comes to convincing and persuading somebody, your teammates, even your children or your best friend, to do the things that you think is good for you or that situation from time to time? Or it's all about luck. You don't have that consistency because you don't know what you are doing. Am I right? If you can only know when exactly to say the things, what things to say during certain time or certain situation, you'll be in control of the situation. And when we are in control of the situation and conversation, we can guide them to the outcome we want. So back to what we say, we got to know what is the strength, what are the things that we keep doing right, and what is our weaknesses. Tell you what, why don't you comment below and let us know in which area of communication skills would you like to improve on. Let's say maybe to close sales better when you meet customer, or just to make your customer listen to you and give you more time to explain your product and services to them. Or maybe you are a boss, you want to convince your staff. Or maybe you are a class leader, you want to convince your teammate in certain area. Let us know by commenting below and we will do a little bit of research and update you. As Tony Robbins quoted, the quality of our communication skills determine the quality of our lives. So the better we communicate, the better our life. Why? Because we can convince better and get what we want for ourselves, what we want for our loved ones, what we want for our company, our team, and so much more. Don't forget to comment in which area you want to improve on. Comment box below, we are waiting for you. Follow our page, like our page, for when we go live and discuss on the quick fix, you will be informed.